Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to fix Facebook notification not working problem in your iPhone. To do this, first of all, make sure that your Facebook is up to date. To check that, first of all, go to the App Store and then search for Facebook and make sure that there is no any update available. If there is any, then please do update your application. Once you do that, go into your Facebook application and hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and select setting and privacy and go through the settings. Once you are on the settings, on the search bar, search for notification and go through it. Now make sure that mute push notification is turned off. Once you make it sure, then what you need to do is open every section and check that everything is turned on. For comment, push, email, SMS, all of them are turned on. You have to check one by one in all of them. Once you check it and make sure that all are turned on, your Facebook notification not showing problem will be solved. Thank you for watching this video.